Did you know that 92% of people never achieve their New Year's resolutions? Shocking, right? But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be you. What if I told you that with just a few small shifts in your mindset and habits, next year could be the best year of your life? Imagine waking up every day feeling energized, focused, and confident that you're moving toward your dreams. It's possible, and it's easier than you think. In this video, we'll dive into simple yet powerful strategies that will help you unlock your potential, break through the limits holding you back, and achieve the success you've always dreamed of. We'll talk about how to discover your hidden superpowers, reshape your mindset, and build resilience so you can bounce back stronger than ever. Plus, we'll show you the power of small wins and how they can lead to massive success. Get ready to create the roadmap for your most fulfilling year yet. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to make next year the best year of your life. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Uncover your hidden superpower. Unlock the best version of you. The first step to making next year the best year of your life is understanding something powerful. You have hidden superpowers. We all do. But sometimes, they're buried under the weight of self-doubt or the daily grind. The key is discovering what makes you unique. Whether it's a talent, skill, or passion, this is your superpower, something that, when nurtured, can skyrocket your personal growth. Research shows that people who align their work with their passions are more likely to succeed. In fact, a study by Gallup found that employees who are engaged and do what they love are 20% more productive and 44% more likely to feel fulfilled in their careers. When you tap into your passions, everything else begins to fall into place. Start by asking yourself, what makes me feel excited? What am I naturally good at? Maybe you're an amazing listener, or you have a creative spark. Whatever it is, don't let it slip by. Take small actions every day to hone and express this superpower. Even if it's just reading a few pages a day on a topic you love, you'll start seeing changes. Remember, self-awareness is the foundation of personal growth. As author and motivational speaker Tony Robbins says, the only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. Embrace your uniqueness, and you'll see the transformation in every area of your life. Chapter 2. Time to rewire. Transform your mindset and break free from limiting beliefs. Next, we need to dive deep into your mindset. It's like the software that runs everything in your life. The problem? Most of us have outdated programs installed that limit our potential. Limiting beliefs are the quiet killers of success. They tell you things like, I'm not good enough, or I'll never make it. In his book Mindset, The New Psychology of Success, psychologist Carol Dweck highlights how a growth mindset can unlock new levels of achievement. People with a growth mindset believe they can develop their abilities through hard work and perseverance. On the other hand, those with a fixed mindset believe abilities are set in stone, which leads to self-doubt and fear of failure. So, how do you break free from these limiting beliefs? It starts with awareness. Whenever you catch yourself thinking, I can't do this, replace that thought with, I'm learning to do this. Studies show that just changing your language can help rewire your brain. A simple shift from can't to learning opens up endless possibilities. Another powerful tool for rewiring is visualization. Athletes use this technique to boost performance. Olympic gold medalist Michael Phelps has said that he mentally rehearses every race in his head before stepping into the pool. The mind doesn't distinguish between real experiences and vividly imagined ones, so visualizing success can increase your confidence and help you stay focused on your goals. Chapter 3. Mastering the art of radical resilience. Bouncing back stronger. Resilience is the ability to bounce back after adversity, and it's one of the most essential qualities for personal growth. But how do you develop it? Radical resilience isn't about simply getting over challenges, it's about growing stronger because of them. This chapter is all about mastering the art of resilience and using setbacks as fuel for your next level of success. Studies show that resilience is highly correlated with happiness. A study by the American Psychological Association found that resilient people are 40% more likely to report higher levels of life satisfaction, despite facing challenges. This isn't about avoiding adversity, it's about how you respond to it. And you can learn to respond better. One of the best strategies for building resilience is developing a strong sense of purpose. According to research by the University of California, people who have a sense of purpose are twice as likely to overcome major setbacks. Why? Because they have a reason to keep going, no matter the obstacle. Another way to cultivate resilience is by reframing challenges. Instead of seeing a problem as a roadblock, start seeing it as a stepping stone. The great inventor Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That mindset is what separates successful people from those who give up. When you face difficulty, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can this make me stronger? It's also important to build a support system. Resilience is not a solo journey. According to a report from the National Institute of Mental Health, social connections help protect against stress and can boost your resilience. So, surround yourself with people who lift you up and encourage your growth. With the right mindset and support, you can transform every setback into a setup for your greatest success. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe. We've got even more strategies coming up that will change your life. Chapter 4. The Power of Micro Wins. Small habits that lead to massive success. In a world that celebrates big achievements, it's easy to overlook the importance of small wins. But here's a truth you need to know. Small wins lead to massive success. These little victories, when stacked day after day, create a momentum that propels you forward. A Harvard study found that people who make progress, even in small steps, feel more motivated and engaged in their tasks. It's all about habits. The key to long-term success isn't doing something grand once in a while, it's doing something small every day. Take Atomic Habits by James Clear, for example. Clear argues that 1% improvements each day lead to massive transformations over time. A small habit, like reading for 10 minutes a day, can compound into vast knowledge by the end of the year. Why does this work? It's because small wins build confidence. They make you feel good, which triggers more action. The more you win, the more you want to keep winning. These small successes, over time, create a positive feedback loop, making it easier to achieve bigger goals. Start by identifying one small habit you can build. Maybe it's walking 5,000 steps a day or writing one page of your book. Consistency is key. Studies show that it takes about 66 days for a habit to become automatic. Once you get past the initial struggle, it becomes effortless. Another reason micro wins work is that they reduce overwhelm. Instead of focusing on the huge mountain ahead, you break it down into manageable steps. This method allows you to keep your energy high and your focus sharp. Over time, these small habits will lead to exponential growth and set you up for success. Chapter 5. Your vision, your compass. Crafting a life roadmap for the ultimate year. Without a clear vision, it's easy to drift through life. The difference between achieving your dreams and simply wishing for them comes down to one thing: having a vision. In his book The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Stephen Covey emphasizes the importance of beginning with the end in mind. Knowing where you want to go helps you map out the steps to get there. But creating a vision isn't just about setting goals. It's about creating a clear, compelling picture of the life you want to live. A study by the Dominican University of California found that people who wrote down their goals were 42% more likely to achieve them. Having a vision forces you to be specific about what you want, which increases your chances of success. Your vision acts as a compass. It keeps you on track when life gets chaotic. When you know where you're headed, decisions become easier. Ask yourself, what would my ideal year look like? Write it down. Be detailed. Imagine every aspect of your life, from health to career to relationships. This clarity gives you a roadmap. Now that you have your vision, break it down into actionable goals. A common mistake people make is setting big, vague goals like, I want to be happy. But happiness is not something you can just wish for, it's built on small, specific actions. For example, if you want to improve your health, set a goal to eat 5 servings of vegetables a day or exercise 3 times a week. Time blocking is also a crucial strategy for turning your vision into reality. The most successful people schedule time for their goals, and they don't just hope things will happen. Research by the American Society of Training and Development shows that people who set specific deadlines are 60% more likely to achieve their goals. By dedicating time each day to your vision, you're more likely to see real results. Chapter 6. Embrace the art of letting go. Release what holds you back. To build the best year of your life, sometimes you need to let go. Letting go is not about giving up, it's about releasing what no longer serves your growth. This chapter focuses on decluttering your life, both mentally and physically, so you can make space for new opportunities. In his book The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, Marie Kondo introduces the concept of decluttering, not just your home, but your mind. Clutter creates stress, which can hold you back from achieving your full potential. Research has shown that a cluttered environment can actually decrease focus and increase anxiety. By simplifying your surroundings, you free up mental space to focus on what truly matters. Letting go also means releasing negative relationships. Toxic people drain your energy and hinder your progress. A study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that negative social interactions have a lasting impact on our mental health, whereas positive, supportive relationships boost happiness and productivity. Set boundaries with people who do not align with your goals or values. This doesn't mean cutting ties with everyone, but it does mean protecting your peace. Another important area to declutter is your thoughts. Negative self-talk and limiting beliefs are like mental clutter that hold you back. Dr. Daniel Amen, a well-known psychiatrist, says that negative thinking can cause changes in the brain, making it harder to focus on positive actions. To let go of this mental clutter, start practicing mindfulness. Meditation, journaling, or even a simple breathing exercise can help clear your mind and make space for fresh perspectives. Lastly, let go of perfectionism. Perfectionism often leads to procrastination because you're waiting for the perfect moment or condition to act. According to research by psychologist Dr. Brené Brown, perfectionism is a shield for fear and vulnerability. To embrace growth, you must accept that mistakes are part of the process. In fact, mistakes often teach you more than successes. By uncovering your hidden superpowers, rewiring your mindset, and mastering resilience, you're laying the foundation for the best year of your life. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on even more life-changing tips. These strategies aren't just about achieving goals, they're about transforming your whole approach to life. Take the time to embrace these principles, and next year will be one of the most rewarding years you've ever had. The best is yet to come.